What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Frost there, Nashan, from One Destiny Sound. Hope everybody out there is doing well. Anyway, we got sad news to report that dancehall artist Leonard Bartley, aka Merciless, has suddenly passed away today in a motel on Beechwood Avenue in St. Andrews, July 19, 2022. Well, according to early reports, the hotel staff and his driver, who hasn't heard from him for some period of time, got concerned, had gained access to his room only to find him lying face down on his bed. Early reports say sudden death, no foul play suspected. It definitely hurts because he was definitely trying to get back his career and in the right trajectory in this new era. So we definitely want to send condolences to his family. Rest in peace, Merciless. She was definitely a favorite. Many clash moments. I got 2 dub played from Merciless. We thank you. He's always very kind and dealt with us very, very friendly. He was 51. He just celebrated his birthday July 1st, which is about 18 days ago. Merciless stepped on the scene from about 94 with breakout songs, Leno and Mercy. He was out of the Stone Love camp, and from there he shelled out woolly more hits from Mavis to clashes with Bone T and Ninja Man Kip Rich. So we're gonna see what's going on in the days to come as more information is revealed. Keep y'all in tune. Again, today we lost Merciless, aka Leonard Bartley. I want to say rest in peace.
When bad man phone ring, y'all alone a call me. Now use my minutes, we call no guy. Well, a One Destiny Sound, I ain't a blood boy, I got Joan. This is the Warrington from Clarendon.